For my Golden Goddess eye look, I first apply NYX's Glitter Eye Primer, which has amazing staying power. Using the shadow brush, I dip into Mood Beauty's Arusha palette and select the colour Shalala, which is a highly pigmented gold. From this palette, I use a beautiful chocolate shade called Jabari in the corners of my lids. When applying eyeshadow, don't forget to blend, blend, blend. I'm using the Spectrum Collection brush range, which are absolutely fabulous. Using a small detailed eyeshadow brush, I dip back into the colour Jabari and work the colour just under my waterline. Work the colour 3/4 of the way across your eyes into a seamless blend. To intensify the eyes, I'm going to use MAC Carbon eyeshadow using the same detailed brush on the outer corners and above my lash line. I love this eyeshadow because it's really black and intense and gives a dramatic sultry look, which is perfect. I then curl my lashes with Kevyn Aucoin's Fantastic Pro Lash Curler. Using the tweezers and the green Duro glue, I carefully apply Backstage Soho Wispy lashes to my lash line. I always prefer to apply my lashes using tweezers, as I find them a lot easier to apply rather than using my fingers. Next up, I frame my brows with HD Cream Concealer Palette. I like to use a flat brush to apply the concealer. Place the concealer on the brow bone and brush downwards. Using a blending brush, brush the hard lines of the concealer away so it gives the effect of a soft eye blend. Do the same steps on the other eye. The whole point of this look is to create the illusion that your brows have just been freshly threaded. I'm going to use one of my favourite black eyeliners now. MAC's Feline eyeliner is black and intense and doesn't budge or smudge. Perfect. Now comes mascara. I'm using MAC's famous Zoom Lash Black Mascara. It's got a long thin wand which is perfect to grab every lash for a detailed and defined lash look. I'm going to dip back into my Arusha palette and select the colour Shalala again. I'm going to work the pigment into the inner corners of my eyes to give them a sparkly pop of colour and to open them up even more. Using MAC Studio Fix in NW58, I'm going to contour my cheeks to give my face a bit more of a structured look. I've got quite a round face, so by contouring my cheeks it helps to change my face shape. After contouring, I like to highlight my cheekbones, so I've decided to use NARS Endless Orgasm palette. With 6 amazing creamy shades, I settled on the colour Orgasm Fever. Using a kabuki and blending brush, I swipe the colour onto my cheekbones and onto the centre of my nose for a high shine effect. Then I add a touch of bronzer with a big powder brush to warm me up. I like to use MAC Studio Fix in NW55 to do this. My look is taking shape, but I want to add a touch of warmness to my cheeks, so I'm going to dip into MAC's Razin Blusher, which is a gorgeous plummy shade. Don't forget to smile when you're adding blusher to the apples of your cheek. It gives you a youthful look. I'm going to try out Victoria's Secret's Pinky Lip Gloss in Sugar High, but I'm not quite sure this is the look I want, but I'll try it anyway. What do you think? Nah. So using MAC's Chestnut's Lip Liner, I've decided to do an ombre lip look instead. First I outline my lips with a gorgeous chocolatey shade, then I press my lips together to distribute the colour evenly. I then apply MAC's Cis Matte Lipstick with a lip brush. This shade is a wonderful flat beige nude. To finish off the lip look, I'm going to apply Bobbi Brown's Crushed Oil Infused Gloss in Forever Chill. This colour is a warm, light chocolatey glossy shade, which looks wonderfully yummy and delicious. To finalise my look, I'm going to use a sprinkle of loose setting powder. I'm using my favourite Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. Voila! My Golden Goddess look is complete.